Keeping things cool has often been thought as a luxury when considering human beings' comfort or in making ice cream, although sometimes cooling can be a vital performance, as in nuclear power plants or automotive engines. One great company that has both ends of this cooling spectrum covered is Snowkey. Founded in 2000, Snowkey is known as the largest manufacturing company of both industrial and commercial ice machines in China. Through many years of hard work, we have been authorized as National Standard Drafting Unit of Ice Machine by the Standardization Administration of the People's Republic of China and also listed on Shenzhen Stock Exchange. We currently own Binhai Industrial Park and Lizhen Industrial Park. These two industrial parks cover a total area of almost 220,000 square meters. They are home to more than 800 employees, including over 200 technical personnel who have in-depth knowledge of R&D activities. At Snowkey, our research and development division is always hard at work. We are committed to developing technological innovations that will potentially become core technologies. Backed by 6 technology research and development centers around the world, we have achieved over 300 patented technologies, as well as more than 500 critical techniques in relation to regeneration technology, automated control, project applications, and other aspects. Our products can offer a wide range of applications. Typical applications are cooling of concrete in industries such as water resources, hydropower, large buildings, nuclear power plants, large roads and bridges, etc. Cooling of coal mines, cold processing and preservation of food, cooling of chemical reactors, cold chain logistics, ice, energy storage system, artificial snow, urban environmental protection, and so on. We have invested in industry-leading, high-precision production and test facilities, including 5-axis machining center, boring and milling machine, CNC grinding machine, as well as 3-dimensional coordinate measuring machine. These facilities are imported from Germany, Japan, Austria, and other countries. In addition, we have designed and constructed the largest compression testing lab in China. Another lab is specially built for testing the performance of both ice makers and water chilling systems. With the use of all these state-of-the-art production facilities and instruments, we ensure that our product's quality reaches the international advanced level. Competitive advantages in brand name, technology, quality, cost, and R&D capability have helped to solidify our leading position in the industrial ice maker industry. Presently, our products can be found in more than 100 countries and regions. We have won the Industrial Product Manufacturing License, as well as countless internationally recognized certifications, including CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, and ASME. Snowkey Flake Ice Machine has a production capacity of 1/2 to 60 tons each day. It is designed and manufactured under the pressure vessel standards, thus making this product very durable, safe, and reliable. With this machine, you can produce flake ice continuously at low temperatures. The chief advantages include a high degree of supercooling, excellent drying properties, uniform thickness, and an ultra-high output. Optimized system design ensures the entire machine can work stably and with a low failure rate. The latest version of an environmentally friendly refrigerant is used for high efficiency and significant energy savings. Most importantly, our machine is fully PLC controlled to realize an unmanned production process. It has been CE, PED, ASME certified to provide a high level of quality assurance. This product comes in full range of specifications. The ice making, storage, and delivery system can be designed according to different industries to meet the requirements of the most demanding customers. Snowkey Tube Ice Machine offers a production capacity of 1 to 100 tons each day. The optimized design of the refrigeration system ensures an extremely stable operation. After production is completed, the tube ice is highly transparent, pure, and features a uniform thickness. We have designed and produced this ice maker under the pressure vessel standards, which makes it tough, reliable, and with a remarkably low failure rate. It is noteworthy that our machine uses a double-circuit heating system to remove tube ice from the ice-making chamber. This will ensure fast speed, excellent shock resistance, and extremely high efficiency. All components that come into contact with ice are made of high-quality stainless steel in order to meet safety and hygiene standards. The entire machine is fully controlled by a PLC system. According to different applications, we can produce the product in a full range of specifications, forms, and with various optional tube diameters. Our machine has been certified to CE, PED, ASME standards for a high level of quality assurance. It can work with a packaging machine or a conveying system to realize an automated production process. Just the right amount of automation to ensure production efficiency and guarantee high quality. Snowkey plate ice machine that we offer has a production capacity of 1 to 30 tons each day. It uses a stainless steel sheet to produce a sufficient amount of ice on both sides. The ice varies in thickness from 3 millimeters to 20 millimeters. Owing to its special flow channel, this ice making machine is more efficient and energy saving than any other similar products. With the use of hot refrigerant gas, it can fast remove the ice that results in no secondary pollution. All components that come into contact with ice are made of stainless steel, so they are easy to clean and comply with HACCP sanitation standards. The main body of our machine has been hot dip galvanized, thus making it corrosion resistant and exceptionally long lasting. Additionally, this machine is controlled in fully automatic mode. It can be applied in numerous industries, such as ice, energy storage system, edible ice, aquatic products, and chemicals, etc. Snowkey Slurry ice machine supports a production capacity of 5 to 40 tons each day. It is a semi-enclosed ice maker that works with a large evaporator to ensure an adequate yield and low power consumption. This product is ideal for use in the vast majority of the world's seas. It has been certified by the Classification Society, thus assuring our customers of superior corrosion resistance and long service life. Owing to its compact structure, our machine is well suited for use in cabins and other confined space. It has been widely applied in various industries like fishery, aquatic product processing, and meat processing, etc. Snowkey block ice machine is featured by a small size and one-piece construction design. It can be directly connected with water and electricity for ice production anywhere. We adopt an aluminum plate as under the evaporator to produce clean and hygienic block ice. The use of hot refrigerant gas enables us to remove the block ice fast and safely. Optimized design of the refrigeration system ensures a stable and low failure rate operation. The ice making and removal process is automatically controlled, thus removing the need for manual handling. Snowkey containerized block ice machine comes with a standard and brand new container. It is featured by one-piece design, small footprint, and no requirement on plant construction. This machine is used for ice production when connecting with water and electricity. It works with an industrial-grade and heavy-duty crane, as well as corrosion-resistant ice storage tank and a special work table to ensure a highly stable and reliable operation. Its production capacity varies from 2.5 tons to 10 tons. A multi-module system is available upon request, which can help to achieve a higher yield than previously. Snowkey containerized ice making system is designed with a standardized ISO container for easy installation, transport, and use. It can withstand a variety of harsh work environments. We have rich experience in this industry. This has enabled us to provide ice making systems for a variety of ice using fields. Not only that, we can offer our customers a full range of consultation, design, manufacture, installation, and lifetime after-sales services. The ice making system that we have designed and constructed has been found all over the world. Snowkey has established a strong after-sales service team and maintained cooperative relationships with numerous quality agents across the globe. We have the capability to offer effective after-sales support and spare parts both at home and abroad. At Snowkey, more than 100 specialized engineers are at your disposal to provide a diverse range of services. We are consistently working toward working with an environmentally friendly and low-carbon refrigerant, and also strive to develop a new generation of safe, reliable, efficient, and energy-saving ice-making machines for the purpose of promoting technological progress in this industry. We focus on supplying the highest quality of compressors and ice-making machines. Our aim is to build a world-renowned and multi-business corporation, enabling us to realize great leap-forward development. At Snowkey, we spare no effort to serve our customers.